How to restart a remote computer using Windows. Restarting a remote computer is essential for maintenance, troubleshooting, and performance, even without physical access. This guide explains how to restart a remote PC. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. In the next few chapters, we'll go over the many methods to restart your remote computer. The simplest way to restart a remote computer is using Remote Desktop. To do so, first, open Remote Desktop connection and enter your remote computer's IP address or hostname. After establishing the connection, click the Start button on the Remote Desktop. Select Restart from the power options. Next, let's try it using Windows PowerShell. To restart a remote computer, enter. Where -computer name is the remote PC's name or IP, and -credential specifies the admin username and password. Remember, before using PowerShell remoting, enable it on a remote PC with enable -ps remoting. Then configure the firewall to allow remote access. The Remote Shutdown tool lets you restart a remote PC quickly via command prompt. First, open an administrator command prompt. Enter the shutdown command with the right parameters for the remote system. This command tells the system to restart a remote computer immediately. Here's a breakdown of each parameter. Restarts the computer. Specifies the remote machine. Sets the time delay before restart to 0 seconds. Now that we've covered the methods to restart a remote computer, let's examine some of the possible use cases. Modern computing treats remote access as local, enabling administrators to restart systems, deploy updates, recover crashes, and perform maintenance, all without physical hardware access. Windows supports remote restarts through different tools. Remote Desktop offers full GUI control, ideal for hands-on management of individual systems. PowerShell enables scriptable command line automation, making it efficient for handling multiple machines at once. For quick, one-time restarts, the lightweight Remote Shutdown tool works without complex setup. Knowing how to restart remote Windows systems keeps your network running smoothly. For more information, check out our official blog post on restarting a remote computer using Windows, linked in the description below.